Hey, welcome to Accounting 1. My name is Miss Horn and I will be your instructor. This video is just a quick overview of the course and how to navigate it. First, you have my contact information. You have my Google Voice number, my email, and you can contact me by text, Canvas message. Also on the home page, you have your textbook. And you can check here each week to see what's due for that week. And here are the proctor testing dates. Try to schedule those as soon as possible because that fills up fast. If you click on start, it will take you to modules. You can follow these modules in order. First, you have the online orientation module. Then you have the important course information module. And this has a lot of information that will be helpful in the course. So make sure you go through all of that. And you want to go through the modules in order. And the modules are organized by chapter. So here you see chapter 1. You have your introduction and learning objectives, the PowerPoint, the lecture. Be sure to, in order to hear the recording of the lecture, you open the PowerPoint and you click on slideshow and play from beginning. I'll show you that in just a second because sometimes students don't realize there's a lecture in that PowerPoint where you can actually hear me going over the content. As that's pulling up, I'm going to go on to chapter 1. You have your PowerPoint, your lecture, you have a video that says, what is accounting? I think I just messed that up. Let me pause it and fix it. Once you open it, you will click on slideshow and play from beginning. And it will actually, let me go to the next. Okay, so.
Welcome to Accounting 1. My name is Miss Horn.
And you can just go through. This is class. So, it can be lengthy. Okay. But when we get to the problems, I actually work them with you. The first chapter is more general, so it doesn't have that many problems. But this is definitely class time. So make sure that you listen to the lectures. All right, going back to our modules. So you have your lectures. You also have what's called video quizzes. And this is where you, let me go to chapter 1. This is where you watch the video. And then you may have a quiz on the content in the video just to make sure that you understand the specific content. You also have Cengage homework and you have the adaptive study plan. This chapter 1 Cengage homework is going to help you practice the content so to gain a better understanding of it. Now these problems are also in your textbook. So if you prefer to work them on paper at first, you can pull those up in your textbook and find those. But when you start on your assignment, you'll be able to, once you work the problem, you'll be able to check my work and it will give you some feedback there. So this is your homework. Then you have the adaptive study plan, and it's just mainly more of a test type format to test your knowledge on the topic. So if you put these two together and you can do both of these, then you have mastered the content of that particular topic or chapter. You also have study buddies. These are review type things. These are extras that if you need to practice or review the vocabulary, you can. And you will see either a guided practice or a walkthrough assignment. This would be problems that we work together in class. So you will watch me on the video and you will work the problems along with me. You can print the spreadsheets out and write on the spreadsheets, or you can work them in Excel. And then once you do that, you're either going to upload it as a document or as an image, depending on how you work your problems. You will have NonProctor tests. These are tests that you take at home. I advise you to work these as if you're working a proctor test. So when you get to the proctor testing time, you will be prepared. Let me see if there's anything else. Proctored Tests. So first of all, to schedule your proctor test, you'll click on Smarter Proctoring. So if you want to take that virtually, you'll make an appointment to take it virtually or in a testing center. So if you watch this video, I will know, because I'm going to encourage you to schedule your appointments and make sure that you're going to be ready on that day to take that test. There, you have 2 exams, proctored midterm and proctored final. If you schedule those appointments within the first week and email me your appointment time, date, and location, I will add 5 points to your proctored exam. So this will tell me if you actually watched the video. As far as proctor test, if you take it virtually, be aware of the fees, which are found in important course information. Also, make sure you follow the guidelines. Your video, if you take it virtually, will be watched, and it could be watched multiple times. You need to be aware of these guidelines, and also be aware that if you violate anything in the midterm agreement, you may receive a 0, or you may have to retest in a proctor testing center. So these videos are being watched, so it's important that you follow the guidelines. So there's a midterm agreement that you will sign before you can take the actual exam. Let me see if I can. And this is very important that you follow these guidelines, because if you don't, it's gonna be an inconvenience for you. You have to take it at a table or desk. A well-lit room with your entire face and shoulders must be seen. You must not wear a hat, head covering, dark glasses, or face covering. You may not wear earbuds or headphones while testing. The room scan is very important, and everything must be cleared away. No one can be in the room. And there's even more down here. Make sure you read these and follow these, because like I said, we are watching the videos, and we want to make sure that every student is tested correctly without any resources in the room with them, just to protect the integrity of the test. So that's really the most important thing that I wanted to talk about. If you have any questions, if there's something that I didn't cover that you need more help on, please contact me. My contact information's up here. I really am looking forward to a great summer semester, and just feel free to contact me if you need anything.